Hey everyone! Hope you're all doing well. Today we're diving into an amazing topic, the powerful PAWS bot. Can you believe it? This bot managed to amass around 6 million users in just 48 hours. That's incredible. This bot follows the same model as the Dogs bot, which had one of the most reputable airdrops out there, helping many users rake in profits. But before we get into the details, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our daily uploads. Also, be sure to join our Telegram channel, where we share all the latest bots. You'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. First things first, to access the bot, you can find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Of course, you can also search for the bot by name on Telegram if that's your preference. Let's get to the fun part. When you enter the bot, the first step is to link your wallet. You can connect either your Telegram wallet or the Timekeeper wallet. Whichever you're using works just fine. To get started, simply click on Connect and select your desired wallet. I personally use Timekeeper, so I'll select that option, hit Connect, and enter my password. Once that's done, I'll see a confirmation, and I know my wallet is successfully linked. Now that we're connected, let's explore how this bot operates and how you can earn tokens. One way to earn is by logging in daily. Each time you check in, you receive tokens. On the main screen, you'll see a section called Leaderboard, which ranks you among other users in the bot. The more tokens you accumulate, the higher your rank climbs. Remember, as your rank improves, so does your potential for more tokens when they are eventually listed. Now let's talk about the Friends section. By inviting friends to join, you can earn additional tokens. It's a fantastic way to boost your earnings, so definitely reach out to your buddies to maximize your rewards. There's also a Tasks section where you can complete various missions. Just hit Start to join a channel or group and then return to the bot. I've already completed some tasks, and after linking my wallet, I received 3,000 tokens. Invite 10 friends to get 5,000 tokens, follow on Twitter for 2,000 tokens, and retweet a post for another 2,000. It's all straightforward and easy to do. Keep in mind that there are still more tasks to be added, so stay tuned. For now, that's the lowdown on the PAWS bot. If there are any updates or new features, I'll be sure to share them with you on Telegram or right here on YouTube. As of now, there's no official listing date for tokens yet, so no need to worry. I'll keep you updated with any changes or news. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. For the latest updates, make sure you're in our Telegram group where we post news. I'll drop links to each bot and our Telegram channels in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.